Welcome back, guys. So today we will see the lead code weekly contest 268 questions. So this is the first question of the contest. So I will explain this. So first I will explain what the question is. The question is that there are n houses and each house has a particular color, and what we have to do is we have to find the maximum distance between two houses which are of different colors. So now I will tell the approach. So what I am claiming is that either the first house or the last house should be in my answer. This is my claim. Okay, so now you might say that no, this won't be possible. Let's say there might be a distance which is maximum, and that is in between. So let's suppose it is this house color is 3, and this house color is this house color is 6, and this house color is 3. So you say that you all are saying that this is the maximum distance. But what I have claimed is that first or last house should always be included in the maximum distance. So now let's disprove this, like now let's prove this, that this cannot be the maximum distance. So okay, so if you are saying that this is the maximum distance, then all the sides on here should be 3, because if they would have been different other than 3, then that would have been the maximum distance. Like if you say it would have been 4, then this would have been the maximum distance. Our claim would have gone wrong. So that means all the houses here should be 3. You might say that if it is 6, then if it was 6, then why would have I chosen this 6? I would have chosen directly this 6, so that the maximum distance would be from here to here. So so from left side we cannot achieve a greater distance if we do not keep all the houses on the left of 6 to be of color 3. So here I will tell that all the houses here are 3. Similarly, the same arguments we will apply, and all the houses on the right side should be colored 6. Okay. So now again, this is not the maximum distance. Why? Because I would pick this 3 and this 6. Then the whole large distance is way bigger than the intermediate distance that you all claimed that it would be the maximum. So hence proved that first or last house should always be included. This I proved. So now we will see the code. Like what I have done is, like, a bit more. I will explain my approach. So, so we know that first house or the last house will always be included. So what I will do is simply run over an array from 1 to n minus 1 houses and check if their color is not equal to the first house. Then I will take that distance and I will compare it with my maximum distance that I would be carrying along, the maximum variable. Then I will check whether which distance is the maximum. This is how I will calculate the maximum when 0th house is included, like first house is included in my answer. Okay, and similarly I will run a loop from backwards, from n minus 2 to 0. Okay, and I will similarly uh, take the last house as my benchmark and compare the colors of other houses with this, and then I will calculate the maximum. So now let's see the code. Sorry, just a second. Okay, so here is the code that I was telling in my approach. So here is the code. Like from 1 to n, I moved forward and I compared the color of each house with the first house, and then I calculated the distance. Similarly for reverse also I did the same. Yeah, this. Thank you very much, guys. This was the first question.